Hello, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Today's video is a share for Flags and Frills paper collection by American Crafts. I was sent this by them and I would like to share with you. This is also the collection that I will be using for an upcoming swap. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start off with these 12 by 12 sheets of paper. They are double-sided and I love the colors in this one. Here we have a red and a polka dot. Also some cut aparts. I love the blue. It's kind of like a faded deep blue as well. I love the lighter colors in this collection as far as the pinks and the light blues. And again, I go for non-traditional colors most of the time. I love the stripes, the stars, and the reds as well. It comes with flowers. I love this plaid here. And here's a little bit of smaller flowers. I love the stars and the stripes. This red is amazing too. And the blues, again, the light blues and the pinks, just I gravitate to those colors always. Here are some stars with some flowers. And again, here's the picnic style of red and white. We also get a deep blue with some fireworks. And on the other side are some flags. And then again, the deep blue with some white stars. These are more faded stars. And then on the left side were the white stars and stripes on the other side. And here's the picnic blue here, lighter blue in plaid, and also some cut aparts and some borders. And I love this blue as well. And here again, a polka dot blue to go with the red polka dot. Here's a lighter blue with some flags, and they're smaller American flags. And there's the polka dot again. Here is the red. Oh, the flowers on the other side. I just love this one right here. You can cut apart all of those flowers and decorate them in your projects. And lastly is the red. And again, it is a little bit faded as well. You can get some parts that are distressed there. And I just love that look as well. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this over. I'd like to mention that there is a 12 by 12 paper pad that is sold separately as well. Everything is sold separately. So in case you want to go that route, you can do that, or go with the 12 by 12 paper sheets here as I'm showing you here. If not, again, there are 6 by 8 sheets of paper pads as well if you want to go that route too. And here are the accent stickers. These are kind of like that cardstock stickers, a little bit thicker than your planner stickers. And they come in a quantity of 70. So in this pack here, you can see that it has accents of gold on the stickers. So it's kind of like that foil gold there, hints of it here and there, as you can see. And again, lots of florals, lots of blues and reds. And I just love the pink and the lighter blues as well. And you get stars. What I do like to do with these type of stickers is use them as ephemera pieces as well in my projects. All you have to do is stick them onto some cardstock, some heavy duty cardstock, and fussy cut them out very slowly so you can get that cardstock ephemera look. So let's move on to the enamel dots, and I love playing with the enamel dots as well. You can use these to decorate your projects as accent pieces, and as well as some cards too. So you do get the white, pink, red, blue, and then the light blue, everything to match this collection. It's such a beautiful collection to use for Independence Day crafting. And here's the SKU in case you missed that for the accent stickers. And up next are the stamps and the dies. So it comes with matching stamps and dies. The dies, you get 6 pieces. And as far as the stamps, you get 8 pieces. So let's go ahead and dig into the dies first. So again, I'm going to have a ruler to share with you the measurements. I'm not going to mention them here on the on the video. However, I want you to see kind of what you're dealing with, but they're perfect for the A2 size cards. You can also use these for 3 by 3 inch mini cards as well if you love making that, besides the blessed sentiment. So that one's a little bit too big for that type of card. So here's the ruler here so you can get a sense of how long and how tall they are. So definitely, again, perfect for card making as well as embellishment making. I will definitely be using these for both. Again, I do have a swap that I'm in, and it is an Independence Day swap, and I wanted to challenge myself to make sure I craft Independence Day. It's going to be my very first Independence Day crafting and swapping. This is my first swap entered for this type of theme. And here is the stamps. I just love the stamps. Always remember that you can also stamp these on acetate sheets with some ink that stays. So as far as the stamps here, again, you get 8 and you can see the size with the ruler. I love the fireworks and I love the flag, and the sentiment is celebrate with some florals there that you can color with watercolors, or you can use the American Crafts alcohol markers to color those in, and that would look perfect. You can also use the stamp. They did make a stamp to go with this collection, and that is the stamp pads there, and you get 4 colors. You get the deeper blue, the red, gold, and white. So perfect for this collection. Up next is the washi tape, and you get a few colors there. And let's see how many of them. It looks like 6, 7, 8 washi tapes. And again, the very first one is a polka dotted blue, followed by a word piece one that says Liberty, Glory, American, Celebrate. So you can cut those up and use them as ephemera pieces as well. Just place them on cardstock and cut them up. You can also use them to make flags. This would be perfect to make flags with as well. The third one is a navy blue with some white stars. You also get a striped, red and white striped, a floral, a plaid, a gold stripe with some gold there. And I love the last one is the larger one, which is a navy blue with some fireworks on them. You can barely tell what they are, but they're fireworks. And I love the bigger washi tape to cover up straws or to cover up skewers in case you want to do that for your holiday crafting and decoration. You can also use washi tape to do that instead of paint. So up next are the stickers. These are the alpha stickers. You get 194 pieces and they come in gold. They're miniature puffy alpha stickers, perfect for anything you'd like to label. Up next are the puffy stickers. These puffy stickers come a quantity of 41, and I just love them. I love making flag embellishments with these. I love adding them to ribbon as well. They're perfect for that, and you can also use them as dangles if you like to do that. I've done that before as well. And so you get stars, flags, florals. You also get the United States there. I just love that. And it has some florals around it as well. So definitely a very fun collection to play with. And I also added the ruler there so you can see how big they are. So they're not very big. They're very miniature puffy stickers. So we're going to get into the ephemera packs here. So there are 2 ephemera packs and they're different. One of them is more for like journaling. You get the tags and you get the sentiments in them, and then the other one is more funner. You get a lot of flags and florals and stars, and you can create with it. You can make mini albums, layouts, 12 by 12 layouts, and it's so fun to decorate all of your projects. Even 3D projects are fun to decorate with the ephemera pack. So let's go ahead and get on in to these two packs. I want to show a close-up here so you can see exactly what we're working with, and you'll be able to see them up close as I remove them from the packaging here. I'm going to start off with the 68 ephemera pack first. This one is more for layouts and mini albums, so you do get a lot of tags and flags and some word pieces, lots to layer with, and I love the flags. The fishtail flags are great as well for layering pieces, and you also get some oval pieces and some circle pieces, a bit of stars and a bit of flowers in this pack here, one flag as well. So a lot to take in and journal with and layer. So I just love this one as well. You do get about, looks like 5 florals in this one. So more for sentiments. Let's go ahead and check out the rest of the pack. And here it is. And you can see up close all of the tags and circles, the reds, the blues, the light blues and pinks, the plaids. There's a mixture of everything. So sentiments, stars and stripes, God bless America, land of the free, celebrate America, old glory, liberty. So lots to look at. Yeah, lots of your traditional Independence Day wording there. And you also get some wording in white. And yeah, I just love everything matches. Everything goes well together. And you can decorate your layouts as you please. So lots to work with here. So I'm going to pan out here and get ready for the next one. So here I'm going for the 65 piece ephemera pack. And this one's more fun. It has lots of florals. It has leaves. It has flags, sentiments, stars. So more of the florals. So if you're wanting more of your florals in this collection and in your projects, you'd want to go with this pack. It has a bit of sentiments, not a lot, but it does. Has more florals than anything else and leaves. So as you can see there, I'm going over lots of florals. There's that one flag there. So you did get 2 flags in this pack. And you get a few stars. I believe 2 stars, looks like. Yeah, 3. Yeah, you get 3 stars and mostly flowers again. I love the blue flowers and the reds there. It has pinks as well. I love the dots in the flowers. Some of the flowers you can add some embroidery. Like that's kind of a guide for you to add some embroidery. But definitely a good pack to have, especially for adding florals to the Independence Day crafting. So there it is there. I think I got all of the pieces here. And yes, this concludes the video. I hope you enjoy that. Here's a closer look at everything else, and I will see you guys in the next video. I will have all the links below to American Crafts and where you can purchase this at, and also any of my links will be there too. So I will see you in the next video.